Hello there, my friend. Ron Legrand here. I want to make sure you are aware that on December the 7th and the 8th, I am doing a 2-day alumni event for everyone who has graduated from Quick Start or in our mentoring or in our master's program. Qualify by just being in one of those. You don't have to be currently in mentoring, but if you've been in the past in mentoring, you can come to this event. It's free. It's virtual, so it don't cost you anything. And I'll be going over a lot of things that I think pertain to people that have already been through my training events to get you going, to get you moving more quickly, solve your issues directly, and everything that I can do to help you build a good business next year. Now, one thing we're doing is a lot of deals, I hope, and that will depend on you bringing them. You've been trained on how to get leads and fill out the property information sheet. But just in case you forgot all of that, get down there and get registered for this free event. And then we will send you the information on how to get the leads, how to get them filled out, and how to send them to us. Because I got to have them a couple of days before the event starts, because I'm going to have my mentors calling your leads prior to the event, so we can spend as much time as we can on the leads while we're doing the event. I hope to get you a deal or two while we're here. I don't really ever do this without getting deals. I remember that last boot camp I did just last month with a small group. We did 7 deals during that one, and a lot more than one previous. So if you've been trained on getting the leads, and you've been trained on why it's important that you get quality leads, then you'll understand why I want you to do whatever you can to bring the quality leads. Register right now, because we're going to have very limited space for alumni only. And I'll see you on December 7th and 8th online. See you then.